Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Warfield, British Columbia. This small village is tucked into the mountains in the West Kootenay region, just a few minutes from the city of Trail. Warfield sits in a narrow valley along Highway 3B, surrounded by forested hills and steep slopes. Warfield got its name from Charles D. Warfield, a businessman from the United States who was involved in early mining and railway development in the area. The town grew in the early 20th century as workers moved here to support the nearby smelter operations in Trail. Even though it's small, Warfield has a rich history tied to the mining and smelting industries that helped build the region. Today, it's a quiet place with beautiful views, a strong local spirit, and easy access to outdoor activities like hiking and skiing. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Warfield, British Columbia. Watching.